Another day at it. Josh was still scraping. He's back at it again this morning. So hopefully we'll have this all scraped and cleaned up today. Try to get this thing painted. Getting there. Looking real good. Thing's gonna look mint. Okay, we finally finished sanding. Came out nice. So Josh is priming all the bars that we put in, all the welds and stuff, so stuff will be sealed off good. And then all that's all done. The floor is all nice and sanded down. So looking good. We're gonna seam seal the edges where the floor, or we welded through the floor, like on the inside.
Yep.
And then we're gonna tape off some of the edges of the car in the back. We're gonna paint all that. We're gonna do this back panel. We cleaned up this back panel. We're gonna get that done. And then he's gonna put his hazmat material suit on and let it fly. All right? All right. S&W just sent your fittings. I got the fittings for the lines, the bulkheads for the back rear, and the top of that bracket up on top of the shock mount. A T and 2 bulkheads. I'll show you how we get those on when we install everything. All right? All right, next step, do some seam sealing. Clean up all the way to 4 of those. That's all welded and sealed from the inside anyway, but it'll make nice when it's done. It'll look good. All right. All right. Look at that. Oh, yes! Look at that. That's the way it should look. Cool. All right. Make sure you get all the way on the top of that bar.
Yep.
This thing's gonna look sick. All right. Nice, look at that. Now we're getting someplace. All right, Josh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you on speed over here.
All right.
So this video is not that long today. As far as the video goes, the process is real long, a lot of labor intensive. So it takes a long time to do all this stuff. The speed of the video doesn't know justice, but it's pretty cool to watch, and the finished product is just amazing. You'll see at the end, and I'll put a picture of it at the very end and show you what it looked like before and after. Actually, I only have one that's with it already scraped, but I'll put that up and you'll see how it looks. But just to reiterate, you'll see when it's done, it's amazing, the transformation. Hope you enjoyed the video. Woo-wee! Man, that looks good! Now that's what a floor should look like. Man, there ain't too many cars you see with floors all original that are that nice from 1964. This car was, like I said, this car was super, super, super solid. All the details in the floor, man, this thing looks sick. Nice.
Go on, don't be breathing all of that in.
Nice. Came out so nice.
And then I'll go over everything after it.
It's gonna give it
Kinda
one more.
dries
Yeah,
and
let it
I'll
coat.
check it
Let it dry up, and then we'll give it like another check over, make sure it's good. This is a 2-part epoxy we're using, so it's a 2-part chassis black. You know where we got it from. Okay.
A&D Auto Body.
A&D, baby. So that's what we're using. If you guys want to use it. Okay? Stuff is beautiful. It lays down nice.
It really doesn't run.
And it really doesn't run or nothing. I mean, you're spraying it upside down. You can kind of lay it on and it looks good. All right. Just going over it one more time. Making sure it's all done. Make sure it looks nice. All right, gang. It's gonna sit overnight. Tomorrow we'll be reassembling the whole rear suspension. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave some comments. Hit the like button. We're getting closer to the 500. We appreciate all you guys. Gonna have a t-shirt giveaway at 500. At 1,000, we'll do something special. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.